Howdy folks, it's Hansom, and today we got a good old RF lens. Don't really do a lot of lenses, but when I get an easy one, I'm gonna put them on here for you. Hopefully this one will be quick. This is not for a customer. I'm about to sell this to a friend of mine. There are particles underneath. I'll show you that in a second. Oh, fired. But before we get started, hit that like, hit that subscribe, share, comment. This is a beginner person repair / service anybody could do if you have the right tools. Should be quick, fast, in a hurry. Alright, back to it. We got some debris that has worked its way under the front grouped element. You can see some particles right there and right there. Yeah, definitely right there. Boom, boom. I mean, this happens in all lenses, mainly Tamron. Y'all see this 1 week eventually. Tools of the day real quick. I got a dental piece. There's different kinds. Some have hooks, some don't. You can get these Harbor Freight anywhere. Got your cross point screwdrivers. Got the 1.5 and 2.0 today. If you ain't seen the video, watch it. Got your straight tweezers, curved tweezers, boom bam, Bob's your uncle. And we got Mr. Spudge. We're gonna keep Spudge with us. Shout out Spud Webb. He's from where I'm from. Alright, let's dig back into this. We're gonna make this quick and easy because literally she is down the street to pick up this lens. To the right of the USM, there is a notch right here. You can see me inserting. So we're gonna hit that notch, slowly come up. It's really easy to damage these things. I have these on deck just in case if I mess them up. The thing is, you can't be scared because it is double stick tape. That's it, people. As you can see, it is just double stick tape, literally double stick tape. Ding ding, that's probably why you're getting debris up in there. Need some water. So you have, what is this, 6 screws? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 screws are gonna undo this front grouped element. I definitely need some water. Hope everybody's well and staying positive, staying focused. It's the only way you'll be able to do anything in this world. You can edit that one out. Alright, now that we got those, I don't think it just pops out. Alright, gotcha. I mean, and you can already see. Well, I guess I don't know if you can, but boom, boom, boom. All the particles are really on this back element. We're going to go ahead and blow that off. Blow that out. Then we are going to grab our trusty Hansom's Repair micro cloth. I got koozies too, man. Just going to get all that crap out. Throw her in, and there's still something up in there. And you're gonna line back up. Boom. Let's go ahead and hit this just so we can get another look. I still see something on right there. I'm gonna have to hit that with some formaldehyde. That is definitely watered down ammonia free Windex. Has to be ammonia free. And boom, that literally went away. Alright. And we are solid. Alright, now we are going to put back these screws. There, boom, we got it. Now we're going to put these back. We are going to line back up. There's a mark on there. That's close enough. Boom. Press it down. Go over it with the cloth. Blow it off. And bam, look at that glass. There's nothing, no more stuff under that grouped element. And we are good to go. I appreciate your time, your patience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want to see next. If there's a camera you want to see taken apart or a specific repair, whatever it may be, you can leave a comment. You can send me an email, hit the link, go check out my website, all that good stuff. Y'all know the drill. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all.